Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate QuickBooks Online. Let's begin by exploring the main dashboard, which provides a comprehensive snapshot of your business's financial health. You'll find key performance indicators and quick links here. Next, we'll delve into the left navigation bar, your primary tool for accessing all major sections, from banking to reports. Finally, we'll look at the New button, a central hub for initiating various transactions with just one click. Now, let's explore some of the key sections. The Sales menu is where you'll handle everything related to your customers, including creating invoices, receiving payments, and managing estimates. For all your outgoing money, the Expenses section is your go-to, allowing you to categorize and track every business cost. And don't forget the Banking tab, crucial for connecting your bank accounts and ensuring your records match your real-world transactions. Let's walk through some common workflows. Creating an invoice is straightforward. Simply click the New button, select Invoice, fill in the details, and send it off. Recording a bill follows a similar path, ensuring you track your payables accurately. QuickBooks Online also makes generating reports incredibly easy. With just a few clicks, you can pull up a profit and loss statement or a balance sheet, giving you vital insights into your business's performance. To maximize your efficiency, consider customizing your dashboard. You can rearrange widgets to display the data most important for your daily operations. The powerful search bar is your best friend for quickly locating any transaction or account, saving you valuable time. Finally, regularly reviewing your chart of accounts ensures your financial data is always categorized correctly, providing a clear and accurate picture of your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.